guys, I am Rebecca and these are my reviews, and I have a Vellabox. Vellabox is a candle subscription. You can either get one small candle, one large candle, or a small and a large. It starts at $10, then $20, or if you get both candles, it's $30 and no shipping. So if you are interested, make sure you check out the description box because I think I probably have a discount code. Okay, so this month, every month they have a theme, and they are really good about keeping seasonal type scents and stuff, and they always use different candle companies, and they're all, you know, like small batch kind of stuff. So you return like autumn and I fall every time. Oh, that's cute. So we got like a little, you know, postcardy picture type thing in there. So they come in these lovely little bags, which are great for regifting things or just storing things. I love these bags because they're nice quality and they're always different. Okay, so I have a toasted pumpkin. This is from Beverly and Third Candle Co. That smells amazing. It's like cinnamony. It's definitely like a toasted marshmallowy almost. Let me see, what does it actually say? It doesn't get much better than this blend of cinnamon, nutmeg, clove, and toasted pumpkin. It is the nostalgia of coming home to the mouth-watering scent of fall treats baking in the oven. Perhaps this combination is just the perfect recipe for feelings of coziness and comfort. It smells so good. It's definitely very cinnamony, clovey, you know, like those baking spices type of a thing. It's not as pumpkin-y, but it definitely has a sweet scent to it. That smells really good. I am definitely looking forward to that one. Okay, and then our small candle. This one is Happy Camper. What once was a dense canopy of leaves above is now sparse, allowing the sun's rays to peek through and warm up camp. The fallen leaves crunch under your feet, but those that are fresh cover the ground in a beautiful array of warm tones. A large snapping fire dances, and a nearby stream trickles in the distance. To be one with nature is a very beautiful thing. Oh, and the notes on this are apple, caramel, raspberry, and cedar. Getting a lot of cedar. Maybe a little bit of fruitiness, but mostly I'm getting cedar. I wonder if that one's going to change as it burns. You know, sometimes it'll give you kind of a different scent once you actually light it. It smells really good, but definitely heavy on the cedar. And then we have a little extra gift in here. Tea with Tay. What is this? Chai tea. This rich black tea is perfect for enjoying sophisticated tea blends of cardamom, ginger, cinnamon, and cloves while you're constantly on the move and hustling every day. Sometimes all you need is a warm cup of tea. Oh, and Tea with Tay is from Denver, and Beverly and Third is from Plainfield, Illinois. Yeah, oh, that's cool. And it has like, you know, little blurbs on each of the companies. I'm excited about this tea. Okay, so like I said, all of the information will be in the description box if you guys want to check it out. I love that they have the option if you just want one candle or if you want two. Sometimes I don't always love all of the scents of the candles, and because they are from different companies, some of them are stronger than others. Some of them are more of a light scent. Some of them are more of a heavy duty scent. So you get an array of different types of candles. So a lot of times if I don't like a scent, I will just regift it, you know, in this cute little bag, and everybody loves candles, right? Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!